Hello, good evening. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let me introduce our new program under ICE Networks, our office. Here's our office name. This is our page. And this is the office location. May office po kami. Hindi po kami yung online lang po na group na nag-gather ng mga teachers. Hindi po ganun yung setup namin. May office po talaga kami. Okay, we do have morning ESL, morning clients and afternoon clients. Meron din po kaming evening. But for our sa mga work from home setups is evening lang po yung ma-offer namin. Ma-offer namin. Ito lang po. Ito lang po 'yun. Or isa lang to sa mga client na ma-offer namin for evening classes. Okay? Sa program na to, students natin are Vietnamese. Yung mga estudyante natin, kids, teens to adults. But 80% po dyan is kids. 10% siguro yung mga teens and maybe 15%, gano'n. Tapos may mga matatanda na din. Pero kalimitan na lang. The class time po is 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Fixed time po siya, non-negotiable. Kasi po after school program siya. Pagkatapos ng mga bata sa school, uwi sa bahay, and then online class. So wala po siyang ibang time. Okay? Although may mga VIP classes, may mga requested classes sa afternoon or morning, but it rarely happens. But meron naman talaga silang ganun. Pero if in case you're asking kung may negotiable ba yung time, I'm sorry, but ito fixed po yung oras natin dito. So max slots, 7 slots po siya. So 4 hours. Pero hindi po siya tig 25 minutes. So kasi yung yung nakasanayan natin is 25 minutes plus 5 minutes. So dalawang classes per hour. Dito po is 7 slots po siya. 30 minutes po yung duration ng classes. Plus 5 minutes for assessment and break. So, you start at 7 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And then you start again at 7:35 onwards. Ganun po siya. Okay, the students po are permanent or enrolled. Kasi nga school po siya. Okay. The students are enrolled for like 3 months, 6 months, up to a year. Ganun po yung setup natin. Hindi po, ibubuk kayo ng student and then papa-enroll sila sa school and then sa'yo yung student up to a year. Depende sa subscription. Okay? The rate po natin is 7,500 a month with or without students po siya. So I can confidently say na mababayaran po kayo ng client natin with or without students. Ganun po kami confident dito. And I think isa lang po kami sa mga companies na nag-offer ng ganyan na base pay. Kahit wala kang estudyante dyan. Kasi pag kakastart mo pa lang, wala ka naman agad na estudyante. Wala ka pang student talaga. Ganyan. But rest assured, may sweldo ka pong 7,500 a month for just 4 hours of teaching. Plus 500 pesos po attendance bonus. Pag kumpleto mo yung attendance mo. Okay? Yung portal po, may sariling portal yung school, company portal. Yung platform po na gagamitin is ClassIn. Just in case ClassIn user ka, 'di ba pag free yung ClassIn mo is limited yung access, limited yung ibang features. But dito po yung ClassIn po natin is ClassIn Pro. But you don't have to worry with the subscription fee because the school will pay for the subscription fee. Okay, ganun po sila kagalante. So, naka-pro account ka, but it will be paid by the school. Okay? Yung materials po dito is provided. Ibibigay na po sa inyo yan. So, ituturo nyo na lang. And dito po may bibigyan nyo ng trial classes yung student, bibigyan nyo ng quizzes, exams, may ganun po dito. Okay? Kasi nga, connected sa school. So, may mga sa trial classes, minsan yung ibang ESL is hindi po paid, 'di ba? Pero dito po paid yung trial classes. Just in case magtanong kayo, yung student po natin is of course one-on-one, 'di ba? But there are instances na yung students niyo dalawa. Okay, but it's the same yung payment. Okay, kasi yung subscription nan is parang hinahati lang ng parents. Dalawa, so there are times na dalawa yung student mo, but the pay is still the same. Okay? And communications is via Skype. So kung pag mag-a-apply po kayo, make sure be active po sa Skype and Messenger na rin as well. Penalties may apply for some cases. May mga instances talaga na like mga sudden absences, may mga emergencies. So penalties may apply, but I can proudly say na hindi po ganun kataas mag-penalty yung school pag ganyan. Kasi like our experience here, pag may mga sudden absences yung teacher, yung penalty lang minsan is like $1, like 56 pesos, ganun lang. Minsan $2, ganun lang yung mga penalties. Pero pag valid yung mga reason, di sila nagbibigay ng penalties. Hindi po sila ganun ka-strict. Strict lang sila pagdating sa klase, pero pag yung penalties, hindi po silang mataas magbigay. But, mataas po yung penalties pag hindi mo magawa yung monthly report. Kasi dito po sa program na to, may monthly report. Kailangan nyo pong sundan yung format ng ibibigay nila sa inyo sa training. May i-report, may monthly report every end of the month. Ganun yata yung schedule. Okay, pag di nyo nagawa, parang may mataas yung penalty dito kasi kailangan po nila yung report ng teachers para ma-grade nila lang sakto yung students. So that's very important. Kaya malaki yung penalty doon. But kung nagawa mo naman yung penalty, nagawa mo naman yung report, okay lang, walang problema, walang penalty. Ganon. So kasali na po 'yan sa trabaho ninyo. Okay, ito po yung hiring process. Must submit 2 demos. Materials will be provided. But if you have your own recorded na classes, you can also submit those. Kids and dalawang demo po yung isasubmit nyo dito. Okay? Kids and intermediate. But in case wala kayong mga recorded na classes, you can record your own. Ibibigay namin yung materials. Okay, 10 minutes. Kahit 10 minutes lang, okay lang. 10 minutes for kids and 10 minutes for adults. With or without students. Kahit wala kang estudyante, magdrama-drama ka lang dyan. Pwede yun. Okay lang yun. Okay, so yung hiring process po, wala pong live demo. Recorded lang po yung demo dito. And just pag pumasa kayo sa demo, pumasa yung mga demo ninyo sa pag-review nila, bibigyan kayo ng final schedule for final interview. And for that interview, we will give you hints and answers. So it's up to you how to deliver those answers. Or pwede nyo na lang gawang kunan ng idea, yung mga hints natin ng mga answers, and be creative na lang sa pag-deliver. Okay, so for our work from home applicants, your computer must be i3 or i5 4th gen and above, 8 gigs of RAM and SSD. And it's very important na naka-SSD yung computers nyo or laptops nyo para mabilis po yung computer nyo. Hindi po nagbabuffer. Hindi po yung sinasabi lang naglalag. So, kailangan naka-SSD po kayo. Okay? And of course, you have to provide your own backup and internet backup just in case may mga outages. Kasi may mga areas pong grabe yung maka-brown out or maka-interrupt sa klase. So, hindi po pwedeng na-interrupt yung klase no and penalties may apply. Okay. For interested applicants, you should send the following. But wag nyo pong i-send sa amin ng paisa-isa. Okay? You have to upload everything in a Google Drive folder and share as a link. Pero dapat naka-public yung access. Okay? Wag yung naka-private kasi pag naka-private, yan di namin ma-access agad. Okay? And i-upload nyo yung resume or CV, introduction video, formal or informal. Kung may mga introduction videos na kayo dyan na nagawa, upload nyo na lang. But just in case wala, no need to wear the formal attire or any background. Yung importante dito is nakikita kayo, naririnig yung grammar and pronunciation. Yun lang yung importante. Okay? Kasi iba po yung introduction video na gagawin nyo pag na-hire na kayo. May format ng susundin yun. may script na din doon. Okay? So, kung college graduate kayo, i-upload niyo lang yung diploma. But if not, okay lang. Kahit walang diploma, okay lang yun. But you should have your teaching certificates like TEFL, TES, or TYL. Pwede na pong to follow lang. Kahit unahin mo na lang pag-submit ito and yung demo, i-follow mo na lang yung TFL, okay lang yan siya. Okay lang. Okay? Just in case, ano ka, kung wala ka pang certificate, kumuha ka lang sa teacherrecord.com. May mga answers po sa YouTube. Sundan nyo na lang. Okay? Tapos pag nabigay na ng teacher record yung TEFL nyo, i-upload nyo na lang sa folder. Okay? So, i-PM nyo lang sa amin dito sa page yung link ng folders ninyo para ma-check namin yung mga ipinasa nyo, sinubmit ninyo. Okay, once again, uh, thank you for listening and let us know if you're interested. PM nyo kami sa page. So, ganon. Thank you and goodbye.